Hello everyone, my name is Vikram and I live in Delhi. I had completed my graduation from Kalinga University, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and after completing graduation, I was looking for a good opportunity in my career so I can build up my career very well. So one day, one of my friend told me about Evision and its online training program. Then I finally decided to join Evision. And Evision is a IT recruitment and HR consultancy company which let us to work with MNCs. And the best part of Evision is that Evision having different trainer for different program like Mr. Roshan sir, Mr. Vibhushit sir, Mr. Tarun Mishra, and Mr. Rahul Das sir. After joining Evision, I learned core technologies in Windows Server, Windows administration, CCNA routing and switching, and cyber security, and many more things. In Windows administration, I learned about the disk cleanup, disk defragmentation, and BitLocker drive encryption, and the mailing configuration of MS Outlook uh, in the automatic and manual way. And in Windows Server 2012, I learned about the ADDS concept and the WDS concept, DHCP configuration, and many more things. And in the CCNA routing and switching concept, I learned the routing and switching protocols. In routing protocols, we learn about the static and dynamic routing. In dynamic routing, we learn about the RIP configuration, OSPF configuration, and EIG configuration, and some switching protocols like VLAN, VTP, and many more things. During this online training program, I also learned some basic troubleshooting like blue screen error and black screen of monitor and some Outlook troubleshooting and some printer related issues. There is one more good thing about Evision program is that each weekend we were facing our mock interview session, and so from where we were knowing about what was our weak point. So after each mock interview session we were preparing ourselves. So now I'm pretty much confident about facing an interview in any company, and I am ready to give my 100% to the company, and I will prove myself as a valuable asset of the company. Thank you.